Are you looking for a program where you can earn college credits and build an impressive transcript all through a flexible and online high school? Our AP with Honors program could be just what you're looking for. In this video, we'll provide the key information that prospective students and families find helpful when considering the AP with Honors program. We'll cover an overview of the program, Excel High School's accreditation, transferring credits, eligibility for enrollment, how and when to enroll, and why you should choose the Excel High School AP with Honors program. Excel High School's advanced placement courses are designed to provide high school students with challenging college-level curriculum. Students who complete AP courses with Excel have the potential to earn college credits by taking AP exams in their local area. Choosing the AP with Honors program allows students to enroll in 2 to 3 AP courses per grade level and combine them with honors courses that feature challenging projects and assessments, fostering in-depth learning and comprehension. Students in the AP with Honors program also graduate with a competitive transcript that prepares them for attending college or university. The AP with Honors track includes advanced math coursework, 2 years of a second language, and additional elective credits. Is Excel High School accredited? That's a resounding yes. Excel High School has robust accreditation from both Cognia and the Middle States Association of Colleges and Schools. Graduating from Excel High School means earning a highly accredited high school diploma that's recognized across the U.S. by colleges and universities. How do you transfer credits to Excel High School? Transferring credits to Excel is easy. Just have your previous high school send us your transcript after you enroll. So who is eligible to enroll in the AP with Honors program? Students who are in 11th or 12th grade, who have access to high-speed internet and a laptop or computer, and have a B average or higher are eligible to enroll. So why choose Excel's AP with Honors program? Excel High School AP with Honors students are provided with a variety of ways to learn and interact with their course content. Classes consist of readings, supplemental videos, interactive activities, quizzes, exams, and projects. Since our classes are entirely online, flexible, and self-paced, students can create their own schedules each day. All of their course materials are available to work on anytime, and they have up to 10 months to complete their coursework. If they want to finish earlier than 10 months, they can do that too. They just need to make a plan for completing their classes within their goal deadline. When creating their schedules, students should plan to work 1 hour or more on each of their 6 classes each day to stay on track and finish on time. Excel also encourages parent involvement and provides weekly emails with progress updates so parents can help their students stay on track. If the AP with Honors program sounds like the right program for you, you can enroll anytime. To enroll, go to our website, excelhighschool.com, and find the AP with Honors program. Then click Enroll Now and begin entering your student's information. If you have any questions before enrolling or along the way, we have a helpful team of success coaches and support staff available to answer your questions. You can reach us by calling 1-800-620-3844 or using the chat option on our website. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and become an AP with Honors student at Excel High School.